He's on the wrong spot.
Hello. I'm Thabiso, and I'm going to show you
I'm holding it the wrong way
how
around.
to put a PS power supply unit
It's like the stuff
RAM
over here.
into
What are you touching
computer.
it for? You haven't got
First thing before you start,
anti-static.
you gotta put the anti-static wristband on you and make sure that this metal bit here is on your wrist, so that you prevent any ESD electrical static discharge on your body
EDM.
to hurt yourself. So first thing I'm gonna do is put this on me.
Yeah. It's on these holes.
Them holes?
Yeah, those holes. Yeah. Those are the holes. These on the right. It's these two holes.
Don't worry about the hand. You'll get the hang of it.
I just don't want to break it.
You won't break. Just hold the wire.
Always touching me.
Why won't break?
So first thing
It's not easy. It's not hard to slip on.
I'll put the RAM.
Let him. Yeah, there you go.
So what I want to do is,
Now that
you
you've
want to
got it in,
unclip sides
Okay.
here,
so you're gonna say, "I've put this in."
Yeah.
and then
You know if there's no pause button, so I have to record again or something like that?
Yeah, it's alright.
So start here.
Yeah.
now put this in.
I put my hard drive in this place. So first, then I'm gonna screw it so it doesn't fall out.
And then you clip it.
First screw. Then I'm
Yeah.
gonna put the second screw.
And then after that, I'll put the power supply unit right here.
I'm screwing it so it tightens up. Yeah, that's tight. And the next one.
And then I need a screw. I need the Phillips head. The Phillips head. That's screw on this part.
And because I got another screw for the hard drive,